Hi there. Today, our topic is about Inventory Management System. Part 1. We have a dialogue between Jeffrey, COO, and Kenneth, CEO. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Jeff, I went to an exhibition yesterday. Wow. Nowadays, there are some sophisticated inventory management system.
Kenneth, yes. Some have fancy functions that we do not need to have.
True. By the way, do our systems comprehensive enough? What is your opinion?
Kenneth, our inventory management systems are the basic one, inventory in, inventory out. And most important of all, it is integrated with purchasing system and sales order system. When the system is launched, our team has spent lots of times performing interface testings, transactional testings to ensure data accuracy. Quite some enhancements were done, and by now everything is perfect.
Jeff, well done. By the way, I recalled our inventory write-off after each quarter end was not a small figure. If the system is working well, why there are inventory write-off?
Oh.
I heard of a term called cycle count using handheld in the exhibition. Can we do that?
Yes. What we need is an enhancement to the system to generate a list of items for daily cycle count. The counter at the warehouse will confirm the balance of those items via handheld. With this daily cycle count in place, inventory balances being monitored closely, the inventory variances should be lowered.
Good. Please prepare a proposal for this system enhancement and I shall approve.
In the scenario, the CEO is so smart. He has noticed the quarterly inventory count has big variances. If, according to COO, that the inventory management system is well tested, there should not be any issues on transactional basis. The issue could be due to handling of warehouses employees or other operational issues. In normal circumstances, some companies have adopted year-end count. However, only once a year, if there are significant inventory variances, there will be a big financial impact to the company at year-end, which no one would want to see. So, some companies have adopted quarterly year-end count, so it would be 4 times in a year. Any financial implications will be absorbed at quarter end or 12 times in a year at each month end. For the case in the scenario, there are significant inventory variances at quarter end. The company can either arrange monthly inventory count or adopting daily cycle count may be a good way to make the inventory balance more accurate. For daily count, it is not mandatory. Management can choose to carry out this for a period of time until the variance is within a controllable range. However, this consumes manpower. Some items are generated from the system for daily cycle count, and the warehouse staff needs to confirm the balance in the handheld. The system is customized to generate items to ensure each item is counted at least once in a year. To recap, here are the key points. Apart from year-end inventory count, quarter-end and month-end inventory count, a company can also implement daily cycle count to check for inventory variances. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about users' access rights. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.